the mask.
There she goes, shaking that ass on the floor, bumping and grinding that pole. The way she's grinding that pole, I think I'm losing control. Get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up. Hit the strip club, don't forget once. Get your dick rubbed, get fucked, get sucked, get wasted, shit faced it, pasted, placid, puke, drink off, get a new drink, hit the bathroom, sink off. Wipe your shoe clean, got a routine going, still got a few chunks on them shoestrings showing I was dehydrated to the beat vibrated. I was revived as soon as this bitch gyrated. Them hips and licked them lips and that was it. I had to get Nate Dogg, get to sing some shit.
2 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I met a bad bitch last night in the D. Let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation and Hennessy. I've been to the...
1, 2, 3, 4. Yang terlambat di 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hitungannya pelan aja. Mulai. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Gigi, lu 4, 5, genep, 6. Oke, putar yang besar pelan-pelan. 3, 4, tarik yang kenceng. 5, 6. Tetap semangat, senyum lah woi. Woi, basah woi. Tarik mana? Mana ya? Yuk. Hah? Ikut. Iya, datang.
Man, y'all can't see it. Blindfold you with dental floss, don't care if you need your teeth fixed. 3 sticks and leaves. If you act Colorado and Mississippi. After that show, March 27th, we about to blow. Man, just start calling us Music Box C4. He know, they know, and she know. Flow priceless like it was signed by the great Bambino. Oh, good time, and ain't we blessed, we got him. Little fact, got the dad of my mama. But we never hit the bottom, not a problem. It's who gon' kill the beat next, so I guess BT got him. Marty, Sarah Jean, Black, even Dime, even Busted Baby, even J. Cole. People seen the white girls going crazy. Yours truly, and our leaders, thank God they made me leave in big days.
Music box living, we love the city we live in. We taking what they won't give us, we won't stop to the top. Where we headed, we grinding, we on a mission to find it. Mile high, so we flying, we on top. Music box living, we love the city we live in. We taking what they won't give us, we won't stop to the top. Where we headed, we grinding, we on a mission to find it. Mile high, so we flying, we on top.
Hey, yo, dig, bro. Music box, right? You know. You see J. Cole down with the camera, now you think we should make it official with a banger? No, I'm with it. J. Cole, you with it?
I enjoy doing this rap game business. What is this? Coming from his favorite hit list. Ain't no other catastrophe after me. People talk shit, but this is lyrical blasphemy. They blasted me, the master chief. Coming back after he laughed at me. Doing this avidly, slaying them savagely. Doing it till there's none left. What's next? But clean up the back cheek. Left behind, the court is mine. You get held under contempt if you cross that line. I'm like fine wine or a whole step line. Double the doses, that's me. You don't think so? Well, check my rap sheet. I'm running circles around them like a track meet. You penetrate the border, I'm sending out attack fleet. I'm like the head of the state, you're just a second too late. What is this? This is the rap game business.
Music box living, we love the city we live in. We taking what they won't give us, we won't stop to the top. Where we headed, we grinding, we on a mission to find it. Mile high, when we flying, we on top. Music box living, we love the city we live in. We taking what they won't give us, we won't stop to the top. Where we headed, we grinding, we on a mission to find it. Mile high, when we flying, we on top.
Yo, we about to do it big. That's the usual conversation. Pacing the floor, patiently waiting to make more.
the first sign of the morning.
Oh, bella
I'm gonna
raga.
chase you
Così rubiamo qua data.
Cerco zoccole su MySpace, fatto con le betta de Grace. Mi rivolto sopra il MySpace, come fossero i tempi days. Ma ste zoccole de MySpace hanno un sacco come gli Base. Poi le becchine face to face e so sante come padre de Grace.
Come ti chiami?
Jennifer.
Piacere padre Pupillo, padre su chiamalo tu, lasciamelo in connection col martirio. Ti porto nel confessionale in mezzo alle frasi, dagli zozzoni in Sardegna che stanno in fissa con le blatte. Latte finché puoi, se resti non garantisco che poi ne vieni fuori asciutta e linda, ma so cazzi tuoi. Come la metti, ne vuoi? Te ne do un pezzetto se vuoi, se vuoi il mezzetto dammi i soldi e dimostra che ingoi. E che cazzo diceva Gargiulo, che è meglio un culo callo in panza che una panza calla al culo. E allora ondeggia sui fianchi e fammi da fodero che è duro, ti sbrodoli come un lavandino ed io te lo sturo. Tu fai la troia su MySpace, sui site brava, la super gina super figa che tanto non chiava. Io vado a caccia di chi legge famiglia cristiana e c'hanno zoccolo di cammello nei jeans.
Zoccole su MySpace, fatto con le betta de Grace. Mi rimorchio sopra il MySpace, come fossero i tempi days. Ma ste zoccole de MySpace hanno un sacco come gli Base. Poi le becchine face to face e so sante come madre de Grace.
T'ho levato i calzoni, la cinta e il maglione grigio, pure il petting è venuto alquanto spiccio. Mi dici
Se lo faccio già lo so che domattina mi odierò, che impiccio.
e sti cazzi, sveglia del pomeriggio. Ci diamo giù ai parcheggiatori a bocca aperta, mentre fai gli strozzapreti col culo mi dice
Aspetta.
te scansi di fretta, poi prendi la macchinetta.
Questa la metto sopra lo space per Elisabetta.
La prendo per il collo e la rimetto lì giù.
Ma che ne dici tu e facciamo un video sopra YouTube?
Ma tu sei scema, sei pure minorenne e me mandi in galera e su. E poi non parla con la bocca. Che cazzo fai?
Ti ho lasciato un mio segno.
Vabbè lasciami reggi se non ho le stimate sul
Ma
pisello.
lo sai che sei bello?
E tu lo sai che sei
E
stronza.
come mi faccio perdonare?
Rimetti da smorza.
Zoccole su MySpace, fatto con le betta de Grace. Mi rimorchio sopra il MySpace, come fossero i tempi days. Ma ste zoccole de MySpace hanno un sacco come gli Base. Poi le becchine face to face e so sante come madre de Grace.
Oh, gliel'hai fatta venire. La sigaretta sta lì,
Ma che facciamo? Io sono libera il prossimo venerdì.
No, senti, dai, non tacco là, mi va de lusso così.
Devo dirti una cosa, papino P.
Come mi hai chiamato?
La tua pagina è sempre così aggiornata e da quando ho visto il video del culo sono innamorata. Io penso tu sia un genio, se poi sarò il tuo premio, anche se certo ti vorrei in un fumatore pure astemio.
Cara Jenny, sarò franco,
Dimmi.
non è che non te voglio al mio fianco, ma di quelle come te là fuori ce n'è un branco.
Ma io ti amo, a ripeterlo non mi stanco.
Scusa, apro lo sportello che qua dentro fa un po'
E
caldo.
poi sei dolce e rispettoso dei pensieri degli altri.
Ma se sul capo dei capi dei più
E
bastardi.
lo vedi, sei modesto e da come mi guardi sarai grande come padre dei figli che sto per darti.
Ma che cazzo hai fatto?
Buca del preservativo.
Come la buca del preservativo? A mignotta! A brutta! Ma prendere il posto io te rompo il culo, te tieni!
Aia, aia.
Cerco zoccole su MySpace, fatto con le betta de Grace. Mi rimorchio sopra il MySpace, come fossero i tempi days. Ma ste zoccole de MySpace hanno un sacco come gli Base. Poi le becchine face to face e so sante come madre de Grace. Cerco zoccole su MySpace, fatto con le betta de Grace. Mi rimorchio sopra il MySpace, come fossero i tempi days. Ma ste zoccole de MySpace fanno un sacco come gli Base. Poi le becchine face to face e so sante come madre de Grace.
Dai, oh, scusa se mi sono...
Cowboy police, got me, cowboy police, got me. If you ain't got hands, you might as well walk. If you ain't got hands, you might as well walk. Cowboy police, got same mentality as Muhammad Ali. Cause what you talking ain't nothing to me. And what you talking can't say no free. I give a dang who you click up with. The same click I'll make liquid. I stay tight and stay on the beat. Cause when you talking, boy, you ain't talking to me. I got my click and I got my squad.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
Why entertainment, but tonight there'll be some love. Tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. I want to see all of the things that we've already seen. I want to see you take the jackpot out of proof machine and put it all back in. You've got to understand that you can never be the bandit, no. And she won't be surprised that she won't be shocked when she's pressed the star after she's pressed the lock. And there's verse and chapter sat in her inbox, and all that it says is that you've drank a lot. And you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind, yeah, you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that. And you can pour your heart out, but a reason it won't block. Oh, will you send her after 9 o'clock? Anticipation has a habit to set you up for disappointment in evening entertainment. But tonight there'll be some love. Oh, tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. And she won't be surprised, and she won't be shocked when she's pressed the star after she's pressed the lock. And there's verse and chapter sat in her inbox, and all that it says is that you've drank a lot. And you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind, yeah, you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that. And you can pour your heart out around 3 o'clock when the 2-for-1's and done the righteous block.
Weh, Pade, gimana rasanya habis balapan?
Nikmat sekali.
Oke. Mana rasanya habis balapan?
Menguras tenaga jos gandos.
Ini?
Debu.
Dak. Gimana, Dak?
Mantap.
Maksudnya?
Mana helikopternya tadi? Oh, itu lagi di atas.
Feel like shit, man. This is so many fucking dust, you know. Every corner, you sleep in my back.
Kes banyas. Pantat loro.
Yeah. Orang Australia gitu kan.
Kolesterol hilang, stroke hilang, sehat walafiat, alhamdulillah.
Pokoknya lebih lama. YNF pokoknya top. Satu yang terpenting kalau main begini, jangan lupa pemanasan. YMF top.
Otaknya lihat. Mantep lah. Gak ono jual bensin eceran. Motor kuntok bensinnya. Tapi Ben. Cek gandos. Kos-kosan. Waktunya Kak Ibu. Aus, udah. Oke.
Skill nambah.
Dan, jawabanmu Dan. Manfaatnya kita latihan ya hari Minggu ini.
Lebih lama. Kan, napas enak, tadi sakit. Olahraga sih, terutama. Biar bisa yang pacar ya.
Ya apa dong?
Ya biar bikin badan seksi aja kayak gini.
Biar melatih fisik, jaga kesegaran tubuh ya. Itu aja.
Kita latihan ini apa ya?
Buat refreshing sama biar kuat.
Ya, Bi. Manfaat kita latihan ini apa, Bi?
Lebih lama manfaatnya apa ya?
Gila kamu.
Pasti sih biar nambah banyak cewek aja, nambah bini atuh.
Yang jelas sih tiap malam gue jadi lebih kuat ya. Kalau lagi muda, jalan ranjang.
Belum mulai. Oke.
jadi sehat lah pasti dijamin. Selain jangan berat, terakhir itu aja.
Dan turun. Perut kecilin perut.
Hati terserah.
Apa deh?
Ya biar fisik kuat, panjang umur, olahraga Pak.
Kayak karbon beneran.
Manfaat kita latihan apa?
Semangat hidup. Semangat hidup jadi cowok. Alah.